and welcome back. I hope you're all having a wonderful day. So I've got a short video for you today. Usually I upload like a 15 to 20 minute video, but this one is going to be a very simple set. So basically, Born Pretty sent me some goodies. They sent me a matte base coat and top coat. Sorry, my brain just frizzled then. I couldn't think. This is one of their sets, and then the other set that they sent me was some reflective, like holographic glitter gel polishes, and they are super, super pretty, and I just wanted to do a simple set with these. So there's not like a big design, it's just like, yeah, a few little things here and there. So there's 7 ml bottles each, and like I said, they're beautiful. They are such lush colors, and the glitter is just phenomenal. So when I first opened these, I done one swatch and I was like, the reflective glitter isn't working. What is going on? And I was like, I'm a bit disappointed, because I actually seen people's videos of like these reflective glitter gel polishes from, I think it's from Nails&Beauty. So I was like, oh, you know, it was a bit of a shame. And then I put the flash on my camera on my phone. Oh my gosh, guys, it is like mesmerizing. You just want to keep putting the flash on your phone. Oh, it surprised me. You do have to build them up. I end up doing 3 coats. I show you between each coat as well very quickly. So this is me swatching them, of course. They go on really nicely and smoothly. I had no problems with them curing. So there was 1 coat, that was 2, and this is the 3rd coat. So I do 3 coats in total, and then I top coat. So the top coat kind of smells like, it's got like a hint of nail varnish sort of smell, but it's it's very fruity at the same time. It's very strange. So I decided to do, for the first time in a long time, some short nails. So I got these makartts almond shaped almond shaped press-on nails off of Amazon. They were like $3.99. Things have been on sale on Amazon a lot lately, so check out your favorite brands and just have a quick flick through the pages, because that's what I done. So I picked up my sizes, and now I'm just, these stickers I got off of Shein. So, okay, I did record a video. It was only like an 8-minute video of me unboxing an order that I got off of Shein, because a few of you guys wanted me to order off Shein and see what the products are like. I do have a lot of the stuff still there, but I accidentally deleted the recording and I can't find it, and I have used some things, so I'm not going to do the video, but I am going to mention it when I do use it, and I will show you a few things in another video. Excuse the lip gloss and the eyeliner on my hands there. I tried, right, okay, I'll explain that in a second. Let me just talk about the nails. So quickly, what I'm doing is I put on a peel off base coat. I then used some nail glue and I stuck the nails on. And I done both hands, yes. I used that beautiful gold and that like rose gold colour for these. So I do 3 coats on each. I don't show you painting my right hand completely, because I just thought just watching me paint 2 hands is going to be very boring. So yeah, I just show you in between each colour, each layer again. So I bought some new eyeliner. It's that, sorry, this is a side note. It's a black adhesive eyeliner to stick your false eyelashes on. I can put false eyelashes on, don't get me wrong, with normal glue, but I love a lazy method to anything. So I thought I'll try this like adhesive eyeliner, and oh my gosh, guys, it is so hard to get off. And I got a bit annoyed. One eye was working perfectly and the other eye wasn't. I've been wearing them for 2 days now, and it dries so quickly, so I'm undecided on whether I like it. I'm gonna give it a couple of more days to see if it makes my eyelashes last. I might do a quick story on Instagram another day when I'm done, but yeah, that's why. Yeah. And then I also got some lipsticks, some new like matte, well, they're not new, I've had them a while, but I didn't use this bold colour, and I finally used it today, and oh my gosh, I tried to get it off and it looked like I stuck my face into a bowl of raspberries when I was trying to get it off. It stained my skin. So I was like, okay, never mind. So yeah, that's why it's on the palm of my hand, because I cannot get it off. Anyhow, so we've just done 3 layers and cured in between each layer. I only cured for 30 seconds and they were cured, so yeah. And then I went in with some top coat and I cured again. This top coat is super shiny and super soft. I was quite shocked of it. There's like, you know, sometimes when you cure a top coat and it's not, it's cured, but like you've only cured it like to the point where it's cured, but like you can still like sometimes it sticks together, like your nails if you touch them together. This didn't have that at all. It gave it a really nice finish and I had no problems with it, and I only cured it for 30 seconds, which was surprising to me. So now I'm just sticking on these stickers that I got from Shein. I will link everything down below in the description box along with like any discount codes and affiliate links and stuff like that. But here I am now just sticking on these stickers. So I only done one hand because the other hand was gold and I thought that's how it would look nice and match sort of thing. So now I'm going in with top coat again. So the nail tips, they are nice. I really enjoyed doing a short set, I gotta be honest. They're not flimsy, but you would definitely need to add some strengths to them, like top coat and base coat and a colour, because I think they would break fairly easy, because of course they're meant to be painted though. Clear nail tips. So anyhow, now I'm just putting on some cuticle oil, and here is the end result. So this is just like studio lighting, like room lighting, whatever you want to call it. I've got 2 ring lights, one's on the left and one's right up above. So yeah, this is the result here. And then I turned my flash on, and oh my gosh, guys, look at that. Oh, I'm in love. I am so sorry. I'm absolutely in love. So this is flash. This is like a camera flash. Look at that reflection. It's absolutely lush. I was made up. That's so beautiful to me. And then I do you a daylight shot as well. So in all, I absolutely recommend these. They are much cheaper than I think Nail Couture. I'm not sure. I didn't really check out the Nail Couture stuff, but I am going to leave it here. I hope you all have a wonderful day wherever you are in the world. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I hope you're all staying safe. I hope you're all just smiling. And I promise I'll probably do an extra upload this weekend, I hope. We'll see. If not, it'll be an extra upload next week. But anyway, guys, I will see you all in my next video. Bye! This could be good for me. Lately I was feeling like I need a purpose.